Now, an Accra High Court has adjourned a judgment on the Capital Bank trial after lawyers of the accused Ato Essien agreed to pay monies he was alleged to have stolen, leading to the collapse of the bank. Though judgment is ready, the court, presided over by Eric Che Bafo, adjourned the case to December 13 for the parties to address the court on legal basis and terms of the agreement.
CEO of Capital Bank agreed to settle payment of the alleged money stolen, an agreement reached between prosecution and the lawyer for the accused, which was submitted to the court's registrar a day before judgment on Thursday. Displeased with the latest development when judgment on the over 3-year trial is due, the judge Eric Che Bafo told the court was not convincing enough and ruling on it will mar the day's judgment. He further noted if indeed such agreement was made to have Williams Ato Essien pay in installment the 620 million Ghana cedis liquidity support extended by the central bank, then that isn't the best option to choose when judgment on the matter as brought before the court is taken into consideration. The judge added even if that was the agreement, then payment must be made to suit the current bank rating since value of money alleged to have been misappropriated will have been depreciated by now. Not pleased with how events turn out, the judge Eric Che Bafo adjourned the case to December 13, 2022 to have both sides convince him before judgment on the case. The Deputy Attorney General Alfred Tuayeboa spoke to pressmen after the ruling.
It's within the right of the judge to either accept or reject. Because looking at Section 35, even the parties agree, it's subject to satisfaction of the court. And the judge, in wisdom, has realized that there's a need to look at one or two issues. So we see nothing wrong with the judge trying to assert his authority as a judge in the case.
The Deputy Attorney General is expected in the next hearing to address the court on how applicable Section 35 of the court order on the case before it in relation to the terms of settlement was reached.